Let us fix your WhatsApp crashing on your Android phone right now. Grab your phone, go to your home screen, and open up the settings menu. Scroll all the way down until you see the section called Apps and tap on it. Scroll through this list until you find WhatsApp near the bottom and select it. In the bottom right corner, tap on Force Stop and press OK to confirm. Next, scroll down to Storage and give that a tap. Tap on Clear Cache in the bottom right corner to remove temporary junk files. Right next to that is Clear Data in the bottom left corner. The important thing is that clearing your data will reset the app back to factory defaults, meaning you will have to log back into your phone number. You get a completely fresh setup that usually fixes stubborn crashes, but the trade-off is you lose any local chat history that was not backed up to the cloud. Once you have cleared that, try opening WhatsApp to see if it stays open. If the app is still freezing or shutting down, let us check your operating system next. Go back into your main settings menu, scroll right down to the bottom, and tap on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install to check if your Android device has any pending system patches ready. Installing these updates keeps your core system compatible with newer app builds. After checking for system updates, head back to your home screen and launch the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner, then select Manage Apps and Device. Right near the top, tap on Updates Available. Look through this list for WhatsApp. If you see it listed under Outdated Software, tap Update to get the latest build, as running an older version often causes app instability and random crashes. The final fix is to power cycle your phone completely to clear out stuck processes in your memory. In my case, doing a hard reboot solves almost any lingering system glitch. To do this, press and hold both the volume down button and the power button simultaneously. Keep holding these two buttons down together for about 20 seconds until your screen turns completely black. Keep waiting another 10 seconds until you see your phone logo appear on the screen. Once that logo pops up, release both buttons and allow your device to fully restart. Go ahead and open WhatsApp now, and your crashing issues should be completely solved. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.